So let's talk about what challenges will you face when you advertise. On the face of it, there are n number of challenges that you will face. However, there are two major challenges that I will discuss which every advertiser faces on TikTok ads. The first one is no spend. So for example, if you have given TikTok a budget of 10,000 rupees, the TikTok does not spend their entire money and it spends only 2,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees, hence not giving you the kind of reach that you wanted. So there are various reasons why this would happen. One is that your creative is exhausted, so TikTok will not show the same creative again and again if to the same people, because they want to give a good experience to their people. So showing the same thing again and again to somebody kind of irritates them. So this is not the experience that you want to give to your customers and not TikTok wants to give to your customers. So what you can do is you can change your creative. Second is you can create a new ad group. So every time you create a new ad group, see, the audience is large. So let's say if you do somebody who's interested in automobiles, the audience could be 5 crore people, so it's that large. And in 2000 rupees, that budget that you give them, you're not going to be reaching all 5 crore. But the thing is, what TikTok does is it identifies pockets of a pocket in that 5 crore audience which is most likely to make a purchase. So what you can do is when you create a new ad group, it identifies some other pocket within that 5 crore audience. So you can create a new ad group and then see if the spend increases. Third is you create a traffic campaign. So by creating a traffic campaign, what you do is you give TikTok enough data to understand what kind of people are coming on the website and what actions they are taking. Traffic campaign is going to be a cost to your pocket. The minimum budget that you will have to give them is 2000 rupees. And but the good part is that traffic campaigns are extremely cheap. So have a bid amount of 1 rupee or 2 rupee for a click, and you will have traffic coming to your website at that price. So which is actually not a bad deal when somebody is getting to know about your website at 1 rupee. However, do not expect much out of this. People are not going to be adding the product to the cart and making a purchase. If they do it, it's good, but most likely they will not. However, when they spend time on the page or the kind of people that come on the page, TikTok will understand that this is the category of customers and it will find more such customers for you. Hence, the spend increases. So the major reason the spend does not increase is because TikTok is unable to find audience for you. So that problem will be solved here. Second is there's a sudden increase in your cost. So your ads are running fine, you're getting good conversions, you're getting good cost per conversions, everything was in place, but now the costs are increasing. The reason this could happen is that there is more competition now and the bid has increased. So what you can do is you can change the bid and you can actually reduce your bid. So what will happen is TikTok will only show your ads at the time when the bid cost is at the price that you have given, and your CPMs will come down. Second is find what time of the day your CPMs are the cheapest or your conversion costs are the cheapest, and show your ads only at that time of the day. Third is you create a new ad group with slightly different targeting and demographics.